Hey guys, it's Mikey from the Pokemon Kingdom here. We're going to be opening one of each mini tin of Ascended Heroes. I was able to pick up just a display so I could open them all for you guys. So yeah, let's get right into it. I gotta open all these. So there's 5 different arts for this. There's like the Pikachu, the Zora, there's a Riolu, Togepi, and the Clefairy. So those are all really cool. I'm gonna get all the plastic off all these, and I will be right back. Alright, and I got all the plastic off these, so we're gonna just get right into it. Each of these has 2 packs, and it has a sticker and an art card. So we're gonna leave those with it. But let's open all the packs. Nice, Zora. Also, if you put all 5 together, you get a picture. Sorry, had to send a quick text. Togepi. Zora. Dude, this is gonna be fun. This is a lot of packs. This is 20 more packs of Ascended Heroes. Okay, so I think I got all these ones. Another one. See, half of these packs are like upside down. Like, I didn't even... That's crazy. Okay, these... I guess most of them are upside down? Weird. No, I want to see all the tins. Alright, this is a big tower of packs. Alright, this is gonna be fun. Okay, let's see if I have all 20. 4, 8, 9, 10. 4, 8, 9, 10. Cool. Alright, well, let's get right into it. So many packs. I need to get some SI, right? Alright, like I did with the ETBs, there's gonna be half of your guys' and half of mine, because I do need them. Ooh, foil grass energy. Because I do need some codes so I can use it for the online. Spectrier. Nice. That stack is going to get in the way, so let me just push those a little further. There we go. Metal, Snorunt, Badoo, Dratini, Meowth, Mightyena, Slurpuff, Giovanni, Tarantulas, Braviary, and Executor. Your code. And we got Skitty, Bellsprout, Rotom, Tepig, Camerupt, Gloom, Mawile. Yo, illustration rare Snorunt. Let's go. Oh, he's so cute. Yup, keep him. I mean, I guess I need to keep one of each anyway, but... Oh, that Snorunt's adorable. Just chilling in the snow. This is fine. Okay. Buddy Poffin, Kirlia, Slugma, Poniard, Bayleaf, Archer, Frostmoth, Slugma, Spidops. Yo, and a full art boss's orders with the new one. The Corbo. Dang. Let's go. I'm gonna play that one in a deck, probably. Oh, pretty good tin so far. I mean, I don't think you're even guaranteed like a hit per 10. Maybe you are. I don't know. But I guess we'll see how many we count after. Urbane, Carbink, Victory Bell. Alright, no foil. Alright, we got Cascoon, Scorbunny, Surfer, Snom, Snom, Noivern, Anthea Concordia, Darmanitan, Oddish, Meditite, and Larry Staraptor. And your code. And a foil Fire Energy. Let's go. Alright, Erica's Bellsprout, Rotom, Tepig, Pancham, Slurpuff, Energy, Bayleaf, Golduck, Rayquaza, and a Zekrom. Let's go. Zekrom's pretty good. That was mine. Alright, Numel, Tynamo, Mischievous, Cascoon, Drampa, Pangoro, Team Rocket's Factory, Executor, Dunsparce, and a Colossal. Tarkin, Bulky Bump. Some of these moves are funny. And code for you. Alright, Scorbunny, Snom, Meditite, Starly, Hypnotizer, what is that? Dang. Braviary, Weavile, Numel, Poochyena, Trevenant. Horrifying Revenge, bro. Corner. Okay, look at these moves. You got Horrifying Revenge, and then you just got Corner. That's pretty good. Alright. We got Iono's Wattrel, Meryl, Zora, Oddish, Bayleaf, Delcatty, Mischief, Dreepy, Braviary, and a Trevenant. Alright, we're about almost halfway through the packs now. Ooh. Yeah, we're at the halfway mark. Alright, Scraggy, Starly, Tangela, that's cute, Noibat, Electric, Noivern, Canary, yo, Full Art Hops Trevenant, and we got Salacilatral, Hops Trevenant, let's go, Horrifying Revenge, pretty good. It doesn't look like it's hit per 10 yet, because we've only gotten 3, and at this point we've opened 5. I did not shuffle them. Oh, at least I don't think I did. Alright, there's a code. Diglett. Okay, yeah, they reprinted Psyduck. Pretty good. Tool Scrapper, Wattrel, Darmanitan, Petrel, Weepinbell, Ultra Ball, Starly, and Rayquaza. Stunfisk, Linoon, Oddish, oh, such a cute Oddish, Ralts, Mightyena, Nighttime Mine, Slurpuff, Petrel, Darumaka, and Colossal. No foil. Alright, Tynamo, Mischievous, Cascoon, Scorbunny, Fighting Gong, Obstagoon, Noivern, Slurpuff, Meowth, and an Entei. Flarefall. 120. No foil. Alright, Linoon, Oddish, Ralts, Tadbulb, Mightyena, Nighttime Mine, Slurpuff, Gloom, another Mightyena. Nice. I pulled one of these in the ETBs. The Mightyena art's so cool, though. It's so nice. Pretty fancy. I don't remember who got it, so I'm going to give it to you guys, because I do not know. Alright. Dark Energy, Togetic, Ghastly, Pikachu, Skitty, Charmeleon, Staravia, Entpiplup, Fanrotom, Medicham, and a Mega Halucha. Let's go. Alright, we got 4 more packs left, it looks like. Getting close to the end. Alright, you got Meditite, Bisharp, Starly, Tangela, Staravia, Clefable, Great Ball, Charmander, Helioptile, and a Groudon. I don't know who got it. I need to keep a better count. Alright. Tangela, Totodile, oh that's cute. Thick Scale, Croconaut, Beautifly, Rotom, Haunter, a Mega Emboar. Let's go. Mega Emboar's pretty sick. Alright, last one. Or well, last 2 packs, last 10 technically. No foil energy. Vanillite, Dreepy, Execute, Salandit, Archer, Frostmoth, Haunter, Staraptor, Bisharp, and a Zekrom. Alright. Last pack. Let's see what we get. Charmander, Diglett, Psyduck, Tool Scrapper, Darmanitan, Weepinbell, Premium Power, Snom, Sneasel, and an Executor. Alright, no last pack magic there. Alright, let's go ahead and do the recap. So we opened 10 tins and we got 6 hits, so that's pretty good, I think. So Mega Emboar EX, Mega Halucha EX, got a Mightyena illustration rare, Hops Trevenant illustration rare, Snorunt illustration rare, and then a full art boss's orders, which overall is pretty sick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like, comment what your favorite card was that I pulled, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.